Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be covering how to change our admin email address on WordPress. Okay, so technically there are two different admin email addresses on WordPress. The first is the email address linked to our WordPress site, and the other is the email address linked to our admin username. You don't need to change both of these if you don't want to, but personally I'd recommend using the same email address for both. So to change the email address linked to our WordPress site, we simply need to click where it says Settings in our left dashboard menu. Then we're going to change the email address in the box labelled Admin Email. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Now we need to visit the email inbox for the address we just entered and click the confirmation link in the email. When we click this link, it's going to bring us back to the page we were on, and our admin email address will now be updated. Then to change the email address linked with our admin username, we need to click Users in our left dashboard menu. Then we're going to hover over our main admin username and click Edit. Now we just need to scroll down a little and change the email address in this box labelled Email. Once we've done that, we can scroll down to the bottom and click Update Profile. Then, just like before, we're going to open up the inbox for the new email address we used, click into the confirmation email, and click the confirmation link. This is going to bring us back to the page we were on, and our email address will have been updated. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to update the admin email address in WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.